here on deck 8. This will be the only time I can film in here, so I want to make sure to get here. You can see as you enter the space here, it's got a reception area here where there's often somebody there can help answer questions or book things for you. And over here to the side, they've got elliptical machines, some bikes, step machines. I believe those are some type of elliptical. All of them say maximum 25 minutes. All the equipment is pretty new. These Techno Machine Gym machines that I use, they're all in good shape. The vast majority of things are working as expected. And when I did see things weren't working, when I'd come back the next day, they were fixed. So they seem to do a pretty good job of maintenance on those. Got a couple more bikes. And holy moly, look at that. That is the spa. People online trying to book their spa services. Got here, small store in here where if you need to purchase some items for your workouts or something, you can do that here in this little boutique. Just give you an idea what things cost. Looks like this top right here is $151. So perhaps a little pricey depending on what you're used to paying for things like that, but they're there if you need them. Got a boutique here at the back section of the gym where you can just try some different items, fitness classes, see what time they have things, body composition analysis, all sorts of different things, as well as sign your gym waiver for the week. Over here, it took me a couple days to find this. I didn't actually know what it was, but when you're done working out, and the entrance/exit to the gym, they've got these here for the used towels. So if you're like me, wondering where it is, that's where it is. And on the opposite of that, they've just got some retail displays. And so that's the gym. It's a good size. Only real complaint about last week was there wasn't much in the way of airflow. So maybe it's a good thing. You're gonna sweat a whole lot more than maybe you would if you had better airflow, but that's what to expect. Hey y'all. If this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. Then immediately beside the gym is the MSC Aurea Spa. So to the left here is the Barber Shop. You can get a shave, get your hair cut, whatever you want. But gentlemen, this space is for us. Yeah, if you're gonna book spa services, as we learned last week, they fill up fast, so you gotta get on. I'm done as soon as you get on the ship. But there's a lot of people waiting out here. So here's the hair salon. So ladies, if you wanna get your hair done, this is where you would do that. Hello. And then you've got a nail salon here. I don't know if I'll be able to see in here or not. Yep. So if you want to get your nails done, here's the nail salon space. We'll walk back here, and back here we're going to see both the thermal spa as well as the different massage room. This one here, you can see one side of this is cold rain and the other is cold storm. So they've got a slightly different experience on the two sides. So I'm going to try and do this without getting myself too terribly wet here. What you can see here, the cold rain, it's just a steady shower as you would expect that comes down, and it is, yeah, that water is pretty cold. And then for the cold storm, let's see how that compares. So you can see there, it's just basically just a different jet nozzle, also with cold water. There's actually an aromatic. It smells really good. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells fantastic. So it's another slight difference here. And then in this next one here, this is the warm breeze. So this one's not cold like the other one. It's a warm breeze. See, it shoots out kind of more of a mist. And then on this side, it's a bucket. Now, because the other side's warm, we're expecting this to be warm, but I'm gonna test and see. Yeah, that's not warm. It's not freezing cold, but we're expecting that to be warm, and Mackenzie stepped under that first, and that was quite the surprise when she got in there and the water ended up being freezing cold. This Snowroom, this is one that I'm very curious about. Ooh, this is cold. After experiencing the heat of those other rooms, this is definitely cold. You can see here, there's actual snow in here, right? That's a little bit hard there, but down here, I mean, look at that. This is, you can have a snowball fight in this room. It's kind of refreshing after being in some of those warmer rooms, but it is chilly in here. But that's a really neat experience. This is the Salt Relax room. So it's kept at 95 degrees and it has different minerals in the air that help your body in some sort of way. So I'll give you guys a little bit closer look at this. done some of these thermal spas on cruises that some of them are bigger than others. This one's not overly large, but decent sized. Whether it's worth $200 or $300 for the week or whatever it costs is up to you. That's a personal decision, but if you're someone who likes to relax and unwind, perhaps this is a good option. That's it for the thermal spa area. Head back over here to they call it the treatments area, massage rooms and whatnot. So some of these are special designed for certain types of massages. Just a pretty standard bed massage in this room. Got a sink and a mirror if you need it over here. This is the tropical gardenia massage. So let's see if there's anything different in here. That looks like a second massage bed there, but that's just a mirror. So this is the orchid massage room here. You see this room is nice. It's similar size and layout to the others we've been in, but it's got this nice porthole so you get a bit more light in here. Kind of a good view of the hot tub space you have out there on the spa deck. This is like called a dry flotation bed. And I believe the way this works is it fills up with water and your body kind of sinks into it and almost feels like it's floating in nothingness. But it's dry because there's this bladder. So although you're surrounded by water, you're not actually touching the water. These are basically a standing tanning bed with a shower. So I've never tanned in my life. Don't know anything about it. Don't know if that's big or small or different or whatever than what other tanning beds would be, but got a standing tanning bed. I know a lot of tanning beds you lie down in, I at least know that much. Really nice area, very clean, well designed, good layout, just very zen-like, feel very at peace.